Hello students, we'll continue with Pythagoras theorem. Exercise 11. We had completed question number 1 to 6. Let's do question number 7. In question number 7, if we see the diagram properly, we know the value of this side AB as 4 centimeter and BC as 2 centimeters. This angle here is 90 degrees, and in the question there is one important information given that AC is equal to BD. We should not overlook this information, very important information, that AC is equals to BD. Okay, so this side AC is equals to this side BD, and we have to find the side AD. First, in this small triangle, I know the side AB and BC. So using these two sides, I can find AC by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so in triangle ABC, using Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square equals AC square. Correct? So AB is 4 square plus 2 square equals AC square. So that is 16 plus 4 equals AC square. So 20 is equals to AC square. So AC is root 20. Now 20 is not a perfect square. 20 is not a perfect square. So I'll leave it as it is. I'll leave this as it is. And so I know that AC is root 20, but AC is equals to BD. Okay, so that means therefore BD is also equals to root 20. Okay, now we know BD, we know AB, we can find AD from this bigger triangle. We can apply Pythagoras theorem in this bigger triangle. Okay, I'll do this here. In triangle ABD, I'm talking about the bigger triangle ABD. Using Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BD square equals AD square. Okay, so AB is 4 square. BD now we know is root 20. Root 20 square equals AD square. What is 4 square? 16 plus root 20 square is 20. See, this root and square will get cancelled. Equals AD square. So 36 is equals to AD square. So AD is 6. Now, in this question, in triangle ABC, it is given that BC is A, AC is B, and AB is 8. And we have been told that A plus B is 32. Now, we cannot directly solve any step. So there is only one way to proceed, is to take Pythagoras theorem here. Even if two sides are unknown, we'll have to take Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so let's take Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC using Pythagoras theorem. AB square plus BC square equals AC square, correct? This is 90 degrees, so side opposite to 90 is hypotenuse. These are the sides containing the right angle. Okay, so AB square means 8 square plus A square equals B square. So 8 square is 64 equals B square minus A square. If I shift this A square here, it will become B square minus A square. Okay, now what is the formula for this? We have studied this in factorization and expansion. What is the formula for A square minus B square? It is add both the brackets, subtract both the brackets. Okay, that means it will be B plus A, B minus A, okay, which is equals to 64. Now we know that A plus B is 32. Okay, if A plus B, I can also write it as B plus A is 32. Okay, so if B plus A is 32, I can substitute the value here in the place of B plus A. So 64 into 32 bracket B minus A. Okay, this 32 will get divided here. 64 upon 32 is B minus A. 32 ones are, 32 twos are, so 2 is equals to B minus A. Now I have this equation, 2 is equals to B minus A. Now this equation which was given in question and this equation here, 2 is B minus A, these two equations we will solve them simultaneously. How to do it? I'll write it here. Let's name this as equation 1 and this equation which we found as equation 2. Okay, so B plus A is 32 and B minus A is 2. Okay, so add equation 1 and 2. We have two equations, we add them. When we add the equations, A will get cancelled. B plus B, 2B, 32 plus 2 is 34. So B is equals to 17. We get B as 17. Now once I have B, I can easily find A using any equation, this or this. Okay, so let's say I use this equation. B plus A is 32, but B is 17. So what will A be? 32 minus 17, that is 15. So A is 15 and B is 17. That's it. Now this was question number 8. Okay, now question number 9 onwards till question number 19 are proof sums. Okay, so we'll do them together with all the sums. Let's come to sum number 20 directly, which is not a proof sum. Okay, so let's solve the non-proof sums first. The question says, question number 20, it says, a man travels 21 meters in west direction and then moves 20 meters in north direction. So let's say there is a man here. Okay, first of all you should know the directions: north, south, west and east. Okay, these are the directions. Now it is said the man travels 21 meters in the west direction. So man goes 21 meters in the west direction. Okay, and then moves 20 meters in the north direction. So he moves 20 meters in the north direction. Okay, so he goes 21 meters west and then 20 meters north. Find the distance, find his distance from the first point. So man was here and he reached here. So now they are asking the direct distance between his first point and his final point. So we have to find this distance AB. Okay, this is 90 degrees. Directions are perpendicular to each other. Now using the Pythagoras theorem, we can easily find AB. Okay, so this sum you can do it on your own. Just pause the video and do the sum on your own. Okay, complete the sum and then continue watching the video. Very simple, just apply Pythagoras, you will get AB. Question number 21. A ladder 25 meters long reaches a window at a height of 7 meters above the ground. So they are saying that there is a window 7 meters above the ground. Okay, a ladder 25 meters long reaches a window at a height of 7 meters above the ground. So there is a ladder. This is a ladder. Okay, so this ladder, this is the ground here. Okay, so from this ground I have kept this ladder like this. Okay, ladder. So ladder को ऐसे दीवार पे रखते हैं ना, in the tilted form, slant shape. So this reaches a window which is 7 meters from the ground. Okay, and ladder is 25 meters. Okay, keeping the foot at the same point. So see, this is the ladder and this is the foot of the ladder. Keeping the foot at the same point, if I rotate the ladder like this, okay, keeping the foot at the same point, if I rotate the ladder like this, they are saying it reaches a window 20 meters high across the street. Across the street means if this is the street, this is one building here and there is one building here. Okay, so when I turn the ladder like this, it reaches a window here, correct? So when I turn the ladder, same ladder, okay, it reaches a window which is 20 meters above the ground. So this distance is 20 meters. Okay, and the ladder is same. So this ladder is same, that is 25 meters. Okay, these values are 90 degree. Now we have to find the total width of the street. This is the street. We have to find the total width of the street. Now this is the triangle. Using this small triangle, I will find this distance. Using this triangle, I will find this distance and then I will add both values. Okay, so let's name these points. Now first I'll apply Pythagoras theorem in this triangle. Using Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square equals AC square. Okay, so AB is 7 square, BC is not known, and AC is 25 square. Okay, solve this and find the value of BC. You will get the answer as 24. Okay, solve and see what answer you get. Then take the another triangle. This triangle CDE. Again using Pythagoras theorem, CD square plus DE square equals CE square. Okay, so CD value is not known, DE is 20 square and CE is 25 square. Okay, so you can solve this. 625 minus 400, you will get 225, that is 15. So you will get CD as 15. Okay, and BC as 24. That means this BC is 24 and CD is 15. So total BD, width of the street, is 24 plus 15, that is 39 meters. Understood? Question number 22. You can pause the video and copy the sum. 22. A ladder is placed in such a way that its foot is at a distance of 10 meters from the wall. So if this is a wall, let's say this is a wall, okay, this is the ground. The ladder is kept in such a way that its distance from the wall is 10 meters. So ये समझो अगर ladder है, so the foot of the ladder is at a distance of 10 meters from the wall. Okay, this is the wall. And if it reaches a window of height 24 meters, so this is the wall and there is a window here, the ladder reaches the height, window ki height is 24 meters. Okay, so we have to find the length of the ladder. We have to find the length of the ladder. So very simple, let's name these points A, B and C. AC is the ladder and it is also the hypotenuse. Side opposite to 90 is the hypotenuse. So in triangle ABC, very simple sum using Pythagoras theorem, you can easily find the value of AC. Okay, write the steps, find the values. Okay, now pause the video and complete this sum. After this sum, the question number 23 is again proof, so we'll keep that on hold. We'll do 24 first. Two poles are 4 meters and 9 meters high. So one pole is 4 meters high and another pole is 9 meters high. They are on the same ground and the distance between them is 12 meters. So the distance between the pole is 12 meters. Find the distance between their tops. So we have to find the distance between their tops. That means this distance. How can it be done? See carefully. First let's give them the names A, B, C, D. Okay. Now we have to find this side. So what we will do, first I'll draw a perpendicular from A on CD. I'll draw a perpendicular like this. So and name this point as E. So I will draw AE perpendicular to CD. Okay. Now these two are 90 degrees because the poles and the ground are always perpendicular to each other. This is also 90 degrees. See, all sides are 90 degrees. If 3 are 90, the fourth will also be 90. If all angles are 90 degrees, then this makes ABCE, this ABCE becomes a rectangle. Okay, so I can write quadrilateral ABCE is a rectangle, and rectangle means opposite sides are equal. Okay, so that means AB is equals to CE is equals to 4 meters. This AB and this CE is equal, so this is 4 meters, and BC and AE are equal, so BC and AE are equals to AE equals to 12 meters. Okay, so this is 12 meters. Now in this we have to find AD. Okay, if this full side is 9 meters and this small side CE is 4 meters, then DE will be 9 minus 4, 5 meters. Okay, see, ये पूरा 9 है, ये इतना 4 है, so this will be 5. Okay, just let's write it. DE will be 9 minus 4, that is 5 meters. Okay, so DE is 5 meters. Now in this triangle AED, I'll do it here. In triangle AED, this AED triangle, this is 90 degrees and side opposite to 90, AD is the hypotenuse. So AE square plus ED square equals AD square. Okay, that means 12 square plus 5 square equals AD square. So that is 144 plus 25, which is 169 equals AD square. So AD is 13. Okay, AD is 13 centimeters. Next, now question number 25 and 26 are again proofs. So we'll come to direct question number 27. The diagram of question number 27 is given on the next page if you see carefully. So there is a rectangle ABCD. And P and R are midpoints of AB and CD. So P and R are midpoints of AB and CD. Okay, so midpoints means these two sides are equal. Okay, and they have told that AB is 12 centimeters. ये पूरा AB 12 है, तो this AP and PB will be 6 and 6 centimeters. Okay, and if AB is 12, automatically CD will also be 12. They have given in the question because the rectangle hai, so rectangle all sides are equal. Okay, so this will also be 12, which makes this 6 and 6. Okay, now AS and BQ is 2.5 centimeter. There is a point here S and a point here Q, and they have told that these both are 2.5 centimeters. Okay, and this side BC is given as 7 centimeter. This is the most important information. BC is 7 centimeters. Okay, if BC is 7 centimeters, then AD will also be 7 centimeters. Okay, then these smaller sides SD and QC, 7 minus 2.5, 7 minus 2.5 will give me 4.5. Okay, so this small sides SD and QC is 4.5. So ये हो गया 4.5 and this is also 4.5. Let's join this. Okay, now we have to find the perimeter of PQRS. perimeter of PQRS. Means we need to know all the sides. So let's, using Pythagoras theorem, let's find the sides. Okay. So let's take this triangle first. So in this triangle, 90 ke samne is PS. So this is hypotenuse. We know this is 6 and this is 2.5. So what will be PS in triangle SAP using Pythagoras theorem? AS square plus AP square equals SP square. So 2.5 square plus 6 square equals SP square. Now what is 2.5 square? It is 6.25 plus 36 is equals to SP square. Now when you add 6.25 with 36, you will get 42.25 equals SP square. So you can write this 42.25 as 4225 upon 100 is SP square. Now remove the square and take square root. So what is the square root of 4225? You can find using prime factorization by taking 5. When you solve this, you will get the answer as 65. The square root of 4225 is 65. So this 4225 will become 65, and square root of 100 is 10. So this becomes 6.5 equals SP. So SP is 6.5. That means this side is 6.5. Now if you observe, ये 6 है, ये 2.5 है. Similarly ये 6 है और ये 2.5 है, तो PQ भी same ही मिलेगा. Sides same है, 6 2.5 6 2.5. So this value will be same. Therefore PQ will also be 6.5. Okay. So I got this PQ as 6.5. Now I will solve this triangle here and find the value of SR. So in triangle SDR, using Pythagoras theorem, SDR, SD square plus DR square equals SR square. So SD is 4.5 square plus 6 square equals SR square. Now this is 20.25 plus 36 equals SR square. So this will be 56.25 equals SR square. So 56.25 can be written as 5625 upon 100 again, and SR will be the square root of it. Okay. Now what is the square root of 5625? You can use prime factorization and find it will be 75, and square root of 100 is 10. So SR is 7.5. If SR is 7.5, then QR will also be 7.5 because they both are same. (7.5). And what is perimeter? Perimeter is sum of all sides. Perimeter होता है sum of all sides. That means we have to find the perimeter of PQRS. So 6.5 plus 7.5 plus 7.5 plus 6.5. Okay. So this will be 13 and this is 15. So 13 plus 15 is 28. We got the perimeter of this triangle as 28 centimeter. Next, question number 28. Now in this question we have a diagram where there is a tree. If the top of the tree, no, the question starts, the upper part of the tree is broken by wind and falls on the ground without being detached, means because of the wind, let's say this is a part of a tree broke and it fell down, so it is something like this. Okay, if the top of the broken part touches the ground at a distance of 12 feet from the foot of the tree, so it touches the ground 12 feet from the foot of the tree. Okay, calculate the height at which it is broken. Calculate the height at which it is broken if the original height is 24 feet. The original height means this full is 24 feet. This full height is 24 feet. And they are telling from which height did it break. That means, understand, this is 24 feet. So this part plus this part is 24 feet. We have to find the value of this part. कितना ऊपर से वो टूटा था. So we have to find this length. Let's say this is x. This full, this plus this part, ये total part जो है, ठीक है, this total is 24. So 24 में से अगर x निकल जाएगा तो ये वाला part क्या होगा? This part will be 24 minus x. Okay, this is x, पूरा 24 है, so this will be 24 minus x. Now I'll apply Pythagoras theorem here and find x. Okay, so I'm using Pythagoras. This is 90 degrees. So this square plus this square will be equal to the hypotenuse square. Okay, so x square plus 12 square equals 24 minus x square. So x square plus 144 equals, this is a minus b the whole square, correct? So expansion formula, so a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is 576 minus 48x plus x square. Now x square on both sides will get cancelled. You can shift this x square here. X square minus x square will give you 0. Okay, so 144 equals 576 minus 48x. Now let's shift this 48x minus 48x here, so this will become plus 48x. This 144 will get shifted here, so 576 minus 144. Okay, so when you subtract this you will get 2, 3, 4, 432. Okay, so 48x equals 432. So x is 432 minus 48. X is 9. 9 feet. Okay, now and from the exercise we have completed the sums which were calculative. Now we'll start with sums which are proof based. Question number 9. Now remember that till now the chapter seems to be easy because the calculative sums, the sums which are based on numbers and calculation in Pythagoras theorems, are very easy and scoring. But the proofs on the other hand are exactly opposite. The proofs are difficult. Okay, they are difficult. Proofs in fact in all the chapters are difficult. They are not easy to understand, so you will need a lot of practice. You may need to watch the videos 2-3 times to understand them. Okay, so do not take the proof lightly. The first question says that the ninth question prove that 2ac square minus bc square equals ab square plus ad square plus dc square. Okay. The simple thing is, in the proof sums, you have to keep using Pythagoras theorems and you have to add and subtract the equations. Here you can see you have 2ac square, means from this triangle AC is the hypotenuse, and in this triangle AC is the hypotenuse. Okay, so I'll apply Pythagoras theorem in both these triangles. In the first triangle, when I apply Pythagoras theorem, using Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC, I will have AB square plus BC square equals AC square. Okay, let's name this one. Then in this triangle ADC, using Pythagoras theorem, keep writing the statements. Okay, write extra statements if possible. I will write AD square plus DC square equals AC square. Okay, this is equation 2. Now I will add both these equations. Okay, so the left hand side will get added and the right hand side will get added. Okay, so here when I add, I will get AB square plus BC square plus AD square plus DC square equals AC square plus AC square is 2AC square. Okay, now what do I want? I want minus BC square with AC square. So I will shift this BC square on the right hand side. Two AC square minus BC square. Okay, if you compare these two, we have proved the equation. Let's just write it in this order. Let's just see, whenever you have A is equals to B, you can always write B is equals to A. No need to change sign for that. Okay, if this part is equal to this part, you can write any part on the left hand side or on the right hand side. Okay, so do not get confused that if I shift this entire term, if I exchange them, the signs will change. No. So this, I can write this as 2AC square minus BC square equals AB square plus AD square plus DC square. Hence proved. This is what we had to prove. Okay. Next, pause the video and copy the sum. Now in this sum, what I have to prove is AB plus AC into AC minus AB equals CD plus BD, CD minus BD. Okay, now if you observe this, it is in a form A plus B, A minus B. Okay, it is just they have written AB first, AC. This is nothing but AC plus AB, AC minus AB, CD plus BD, CD minus BD. So this is nothing but AC square minus AB square equals, this is CD square minus BD square. Correct? A plus B, A minus B is A square minus B square. Okay, now using this I can prove what I want. Okay, so let's start the proof. Now there are two triangles, two right angle triangles. Let's apply Pythagoras theorem in both. Okay, so in this triangle, in triangle ADB, using Pythagoras theorem, AD square plus BD square equals AB square. Okay, I'll shift this BD square on the right hand side. Okay, so I will have AD square equals AB square minus BD square. Okay, and name this 1. Now I'll take this triangle and solve. So in triangle ADC, using Pythagoras theorem, AD square plus DC square equals AC square. Okay, again AD square, I will shift this DC square on the right hand side. Now why I did this? is because in my proof I want AC, AB, CD and BD. I don't want AD. So इसलिए मैंने AD को एक साइड रखा, बाकी दोनों को एक साइड. यहाँ पे भी AD को एक साइड, बाकी this is on the other side. Now if you observe, AB square minus BD square is equals to AD square. AC square minus DC square is also equals to AD square. That means this equation 1 and 2 are same. If they both are equal to AD square, that means they both are equal. Okay, so from 1 and 2, AB square minus BD square is equals to AC square minus DC square. Okay, now what do I want for proof? I want AC square minus AB square. So I'll shift this AB square on the left hand side. Okay, so this will become AC square minus AB square, and this minus CD square को मैं right hand side, sorry, left hand side लेके आता हूँ. So this will become DC square minus BD square. Okay, which is almost same. See, this is same, just यहाँ पे CD square लिखा है, मैंने DC square लिखा है. Let's correct that also. पहले लिख देते AC square minus AB square equals, इस DC को लिख देता हूँ मैं CD square minus BD square. Okay, and this is A square minus B square, so AC plus AB, AC minus AB equals CD plus BD, CD minus BD. Proved, hence proved. Just write here, hence proved.